Wonder if there are bears here as well or not. Yeah. So it's day 5 of our Romanian adventure, and we are currently on the Transalpina. Yesterday, heading down from Transfăgărășan, I ran out of all batteries, so I didn't record the accommodation which we managed to find, but it was really cute and quite comfortable in some traditional house in middle of nowhere in small village. So we had good rest. We woke up early and get some fuel, and now we start to climb to Transalpina. We're near Rânca, and we're coming from south side heading north to Transalpina. Weather should be okay. I hope we'll stay at least like this and will not start the rain. Our plan was also to go to Strategica, but we might just take a peek and skip it for now. The first time I went Transalpina from north, but with car, and it was like 11 years ago. I was paving new asphalt, which should be now finished. The difference between Transalpina, a part of history and stuff like this, which of course about Transalpina I don't remember. It's the Transfăgărășan. It's the summit is hidden between hills, and all these rocky hills around, as you could see. But Transalpina, on the other hand, it's almost at the top, and you can see wide open hills and mountains around. On the other side is only about 16 kilometers from here, and total was 20 and something, and not long. I think for Garage it's longer, but for me I prefer this one. Didn't took winter gloves with me, so I'm not going to need it, but my hands was freezing yesterday, even I have heated grips. So I stole some gloves from gas station, and I will put them under my bike gloves if it will be way too cold. Since Benelli is only 500 cc, I have a lot to do on these climbs, and I changed the ratio, acted more towards higher speeds, so I lose some power as well. Actually might try just tiny piece of Strategica, since it doesn't look like it's very muddy. We see when we get there. It's getting pretty chilly here. God damn, it's chilly now. Let's take a picture from here. No však hore, tam bolo vidieť také stánky.
Aj, tak tam ideme.
Hej, obliekame nepremoky či ne? Obliekame nepremoky či ne?
Ja som si dal len kvôli vetru.
Je?
Ja som si dal len kvôli vetru. No, dobre.
Poďme.
Ideme rovno ďalej? No.
Ideme ďalej.
Hore prša, dám si nepremok, ale na niečo.
Čo?
Zásuvka tu môžu byť pekné cesty, ale teraz zamokrá.
Môžeš sa mohol aj ďalej postaviť. Mne sa zle vystupuje. We are on top of Transalpina. We had the food, but got some stone with us. It's windy like hell and falling pieces of ice. So we're going to quickly descend down before we froze over. I lose my socks for hands, so I'm warming just the grips. I hope on the other side will not be so bad with wind. And look, from there we came. Now if we go slowly down, to hide behind the mountain. Such strong crosswind here. It's getting warmer on this side. Immediately I'll stop the wind. It's much more better. Here starts Strategica, and no way we're going there in this crosswind. The sheeps! Tam vyzerá, že by mohli mať. Chceš ísť pozrieť?
Pozrieme ten podrytník.
Toto vyzerá, že by tu by mohli mať. Oh, we've been unsuccessful trying to buy some sheepskin other guys to put on their bikes, like it's on mine. They didn't really understand me and I didn't really understand them. And plus here, absolutely no signal here whatsoever. So I can't call my wife to use her as translator. Therefore, we're just going to continue down from Transalpina. And from there we will turn to Petroșani and make stop in Hunedoara to see Corvinus Castle, and from there Deva, and after that I guess I'll be heading toward Hungary border to cut some distance for tomorrow's trip home. Much more warmer here behind the hills already. They're selling cheese or brânza, how it's called here. Only we don't really have space to carry all of it, and no cooler, and tomorrow should be warm. On the other hand, we bought yesterday for a dinner Kașcaval Rukar and Salam de Sibiu, and both was very tasty. I was afraid we took too much, but we ate it all in one go. Wonder if there are bears here as well or not. Seriously. I can imagine better place to stop, not in a turn. There was quite a lot of people up on Transalpina, but most of them I noticed went to south side. They was coming from north, but otherwise it's quite empty road. It's better than it was yesterday in Transfăgărășan. There was such a cold up there. I forgot to put my sticker on a table there. I think it's one more sign here, so I can do it at least here. A GPS-ko kto nastaví? Anyway, we have, I'm not sure how many kilometers to Petroșani, and from there we turn to Hunedoara. And I hope we'll manage avoid off-roading today. So 21 kilometers to Petroșani. I hope not all of them are on road like this. Ale sice pekné, že blikáš. Ale jak vidím tu na. looks like at the end it was pretty awesome road, and with wet gets certain charm. The landscape in Romania is really beautiful. You have to admit this. And there is always a lot to see. Behind every hill or mountain is something new. We are almost at Petroșani, and from there we have still around 70 kilometers to Hunedoara. So I'll stop recording. It's kind of pouring away from there, and I will show you in a bit castle.